Good morning, everybody. It's a little cold this morning. Welcome back, or welcome to the channel. My name is Chris Stewart, and we have got an absolute cold and gorgeous day down here in South Alabama. We've got the sun coming up over here to my east. Slight little north wind. By 9 o'clock it should be out of here though, or at least be kind of died off. Got a lot of birds working out there. There's some shrimp boats. I'm excited about today. It's the first cold front we've had of the year. Maybe these fish are fired up. Who knows? We're gonna get out here and put in the work today and see what we can find. I got the Outback loaded up. We're gonna put her in and see if we can catch some fish. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Don't forget, if you like it, like, subscribe, and we'll get to some fishing. You. All right, we've made it to the first point. This is at the mouth of this creek. I've got a prawn star Z-Man tied up, and I'm just gonna fish these drop-offs, and I'll explain a little more what I'm doing once I get out of this wind. But I'm gonna fish this little spot right in here and then work my way up the bank right here. So first cast. Got him. Whoa. Oh yeah. Nice. Let's go. That's a nice one too. Does not want to get in there. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Well, we have beaten the skunk. Oh, he's cold. Right in his corner of his mouth. Nice fish right there. Really nice fish. Yeah, he choked that little thing. He's heavy, real solid fish. On that white prawn starzy, man. You. I saw him. He was tailing. Let's go. Let's go. He was tailing. Whoa. Oh. He was tailing right there. I knew I saw him sticking out of the water. That was so sick. He was actually tailing. I could see where he was. This is a good fish. Holy crap, that was so sick, dude. First tailing redfish of the winter. Let's go. Dude, he is not letting me bring him up. Nice one. All right, buddy, come on. Let's see you. Let's go. I watched him chase shrimp. He was sitting in a little pocket up next to the bank, and I could see his tail sticking out of the water. He wasn't moving very much, but just enough for me to see him. Let's go. He's bolted straight at me too. Oh, that's so sick, man. Right in there. That is the Mr. Redfish. So sick, man. I can't tell you enough how much I enjoy catching these fish. Let's see if I can successfully get an underwater release. Oh, this one. Oh, it's a big speckled trout. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a freaking giant speckled trout. Get in here. Yes. 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 Whoa. I've been fishing this drop off and been getting thumps, but I haven't been able to stick them. And I just stuck that one. Man. Oh, I wish I could measure him. I don't have a measuring stick on me, but he's over 20. I thought it was a redfish. Look at that guy. Whoa. That's him though. That's a good 20-inch speck right there. shot with it. Actually, I'm gonna get him back quick. These fish are so sensitive. I stuck the camera in the water to get the underwater shot and didn't record it, so no release on that one, but he made it back safely and healthy. So let's keep rocking and rolling. Yeah, that was a really nice speck, really nice speck. I was hoping to get one of those big ones like that today, so that was really solid. So I'm gonna get back in here, keep plucking away. You. Whoa. Oh, I think we got the one, boys. I think we got the one. I think we got the one. Oh, 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 it's a big redfish. Oh my God. Put it reverse. Dude, it's a freaking giant redfish. It is a giant. It's a giant. Oh my God. I just lost him. I just lost him. I just lost him. That was an absolute stud, and I guess he just threw the hook. And my GoPro died not even 30 seconds after that, so I would have missed probably all of that. Just the way it is when you come out here and fish. It's all right though. Keep my head up and keep going. Maybe I'll get lucky again. Kind of shifted areas a little bit. Same body of water, but a little bit further away. First cast. First cast. Oh, first. Get in here. Get in here. Let's go. Big trout. Big trout. Holy crap, dude. Literally first cast soon. I've never fished in here. I promise you all my life, I've never been in here before. Stop eating, stop eating. Never been in here before in my life. First point I pull up to catch a stud trout, dude. Stop, buddy, stop. This water's a little bit, dude, it's marking all kinds of stuff. Inhaled that Z-Man prawn star. Nice healthy 18 to 20 range. Stud's got belly on him. Bro was doing that head shaking like he was stuck doing that. Y'all, I'm pushing through the grass right now. I got a redfish up here tailing. Oh, I got a school of them. There's a school of them up here. All right, I just gotta play it smart. Don't be loud. Oh, this is so sick. There's literally a school of redfish up here. I'm gonna turn the camera around. When I get close, I'm gonna sneak in. Oh my gosh, this is so sick. This is just right up there on the bank. See him blowing up. All right, boys and girls, y'all ready? We've done it again. They're blowing up. We've done it again. We've done it again. Oh, I caught one of the schools. I'm sorry guys, it's so hard for me to get this camera set up while I got these fish blowing up like this and get everything ready. So I'm just having to turn it on after I hook it up. This is the best day of red fishing I've ever had in my life, hands down. Feisty, good sized ones, schooled up down the bank, chasing shrimp. This is the best day of my freaking life, dude. Truly blessed, man. Oh my goodness. Nice fish. Yes, sir. Oh, goodness gracious, man. This is awesome. Dude, they're schooled up going down the banks, man. I've never seen that before. I've never been lucky enough to catch it, and they're going nuts today. Schooly redfish. That was about 15 of them in that school. Yes, man, this is so sick, dude. So sick, man. Oh, God is good, man. I mean, there's only one guy you can thank for this, is big man upstairs. That is so sick, man. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I just goofed so bad. I just goofed so bad. Got him. Got him. With the... Whoa. Got him. Whoa. With the push pole in my hand. Sight casted. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, this is so sick, man. So sick. I set the hook with the push pole in my hand. Not a bad fish either. Everything's been legal today. But that's it. Blue tail. Awesome. All right. I just sight casted.
Oh, he's a big one. He's a big one. Don't come off. Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Oh, it's a big one. I side cast. He ate it, dude. I turned the camera off because I've just been struggling. Dude, threw it right in front of him. Whoa. No. Let me get the net ready. Get the net ready. Whoa. Dude. Whoa. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's get that. Whatever else matters. Oh, it's a nice fish. Dude, side casted him. That's a good fish, man. That's a nice creek fish. Come on, get in the net. Get in the net. Get in the net. Oh, he swam out. Oh gosh, he's killing me. I'm literally about to throw up. Come on, dude. Come on, bruh. Let me land you. Let's go! Let's go! Yes! Oh, I worked so hard. Oh, I just had a school of like 5 or 6 just blow past me. They were all chomping to bits at the surface, couldn't get them to eat nothing. I'm push pulling. One comes around this point right here. I got the camera off. Dude, I casted it. He didn't want nothing to do with it. I reeled it back up, put it back in front of him, came and just whacked it. Holy crap, dude. That's the, I missed a big one like this morning. Whew, God, thank you so much, Lord. Whew. That was freaking spectacular. I'll hold this guy up, let y'all get a good look at him. Oh, that was epic. Oh, there's so many in here, dude. It's show everybody this. Yeah, baby, let's go. Nice girl. Come on, show everybody that tail. Yes, sir. Nice one. This is the biggest one of the day off. There she goes. Whoa. Well, that's how you spook a whole school. Oh, goodness. Wow. That was so sick. That was so cool. I didn't catch them. I spooked them, but there was about 15 or 20 in that school. Man, this is probably the best day of redfish I've ever had in my life. Not only just because of the catch rate, because of how much I've seen. I mean, I've caught them sight casting them. I've seen them schooled up, chasing shrimp down the banks. That prime wintertime attitude, and I love it. And I'm probably gonna work my way out of here and just call it a day. You know, I'm gonna finish on that. That was pretty cool. And yeah, so might try to stop if I see one. Well, folks, I think we are gonna call it a day. It's a little past lunch. It's about 1 o'clock now. I've been out here since 6. Epic day. I single-handedly think that this is one of the best days of red fishing. Probably one of the most like active I've ever seen the redfish. I've never seen the redfish schooled up going down the banks down here. It's a brand new area too. It's close to where I like to fish, but I paddle a little bit further, kind of like risk it for the biscuits. And epic, man.
trout, redfish. I mean, sight casting them, casting at the schools that are coming down the bank, watching them feed. I mean, I should have put the drone up and got some shots, but that's just a lot to do for one person. I know some people can do it, and cheers to you, because it's tough work. But I know I haven't shown my kayak on the YouTube channel yet, so when we get back I might do a little kayak breakdown, show you guys what I'm rocking with, if I have enough GoPro batteries. So if you see this and I'm showing you the kayak had enough GoPro battery, if you don't, it's the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for clicking on the video and watching it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, shoot me a subscribe. I'd love to see down in the comments what you guys think, and if you have any questions about what I'm doing or where I'm fishing or what I'm fishing in, anything, just don't hesitate to shoot me a shot in the DM, and or on Facebook or on Snapchat, however, you know. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.